Welcome to our market basket analysis of Marketing Accelerator demo in Alteryx. Market basket analysis is a data mining technique used by retailers to increase sales by better understanding customer purchasing patterns. It involves analyzing large data sets, such as purchase history, to reveal product groupings, as well as products that are likely to be purchased together. Our approach is very simple and based on 3 tenets. 1. Earn trust. 2. Be business outcomes focused. 3. Execute flawlessly. Welcome to this Alteryx Designer tutorial on market basket analysis. In this tutorial, we'll explore how Alteryx Designer can help you uncover valuable insights about customer purchasing behavior. Market basket analysis reveals which items buyers purchase together. Retailers use market basket analysis to understand the best way to co-locate products in both physical and digital stores. This analysis can show retailers how to locate products together and how to cross-promote and recommend items that customers often put in their shopping carts at the same time. Alteryx Designer includes tools purpose-built for market basket analysis, including options for calculating support, confidence, and lift. Step 1. We begin by bringing in the groceries dataset into Alteryx Designer using the Input tool. Step 2. Add the Frequency Table tool to see which grocery products appeared most frequently. The top 5 most frequent items are whole milk, other vegetables, rolls/buns, soda, and yogurt. Step 3. Next, use the Select tool to identify the current data types of the columns in our dataset. We'll also change the data types of specific columns like member number, date, year, month, date, and day of the week to prepare our data for analysis. Step 4. Now, let's use the MB Rules tool, which can be found under Predictive Grouping, to see the most frequently occurring items and the number of times people purchased a certain number of items plus a distribution of the latter. In the configuration window, select member number as the transaction key field and item description as the item identifier. We'll use the association rule for our analysis. After configuring the tool, insert a Browse tool on the R output anchor of the MB Rules tool to display a report of the overall summary of the rules. Step 5. Now, let's utilize the MB Inspect tool to create the actual rules. Connect it to the O output anchor of our MB Rules tool, and we'll choose to sort association rules by support, confidence, and lift. Finally, obtain the report by adding a Browse tool to the R output anchor of the MB Inspect tool. The report shows all the association rules or item sets that made it past our pruning. The columns LHS and RHS refer to the left and right-hand sides of our association rules, showing how the antecedents and consequences co-occur. Support, confidence, and lift are shown for each rule. On the graphical charts, the first is a matrix that shows how items and item sets co-occurred, with color-coded dots showing support and lift. The second is a network graph displaying the connections among items, also color-coded for support and lift. And that's it. By following these steps, you can efficiently perform market basket analysis in Alteryx Designer. Market basket analysis can help retailers make informed decisions about product placement, cross-promotions, and recommendations to enhance the shopping experience. Inquire about our complete Marketing Accelerators bundles. Follow us and like us on LinkedIn and visit our Marketing Accelerator page, www.fugetroncorp.com/marketing-accelerator. Thank you and see you soon for a live demo.